Bruschetta al Pomodoro Fresco. Serves 2. Prep time 10 minutes. A quick and authentic Italian raw tomato topping on toasted bread. 2 cups of diced ripe tomatoes. Use firm but juicy Italian-type tomatoes for best flavor. 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Use a fruity, peppery oil for authentic Italian flavor. 1 clove of garlic. This will be rubbed on the toast for a fragrant finish. 8 slices of crusty Italian bread. Choose a loaf with a firm crust and open crumb. 6 fresh basil leaves. Tear them by hand to release the aroma. 1 pinch of salt. Adjust to taste after mixing the tomatoes. 1 pinch of freshly ground black pepper. To season the tomato mixture. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place 2 cups of diced ripe tomatoes into a medium bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the tomatoes and gently stir to combine. Finely chop 6 fresh basil leaves and fold them into the tomato mixture. Season with 1 pinch of salt and 1 pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust if needed. Slice 8 slices of crusty Italian bread and toast them until golden and crisp, about 2 to 3 minutes per side under a broiler or until desired color. Rub 1 clove of garlic over the top surface of each warm toast to infuse aroma. Spoon the tomato mixture evenly over each toast, using about 2 tablespoons per slice. Garnish with a few torn basil leaves and a final drizzle of 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now we'll finish preparing the recipe. Serve immediately on a warm plate. Enjoy your bruschetta and buon appetito! If you liked this bruschetta recipe, like this video, subscribe and hit the bell to get more quick Italian recipes.